Hello everyone. So, when Jackie was first telling me about documenting things in my life, I was coincidentally on my way to a teaching assignment for my Science in the City class. Growing up, I always enjoyed teaching science and learning about science, and I thought that this class would be a great way for me to hone into some of the applications of doing research and accumulating scientific knowledge over time. And so here I am teaching about science and environmental conservation. And after that lesson was over, I zoomed back to campus on the subway to go to my genetics class. Here I am getting coffee beforehand, and then doing some studying afterwards with my friend Sylvie. But then the library unfortunately closed, so here I am doing some work and finishing up for the night at my home setup, going over chemistry problems and exams, and then turning the lights out. Rise and shine, bright and early, and I'm going to take this time to introduce myself. My name is Lela Devine, and I am a sophomore here at Barnard College studying cellular and molecular biology and minoring in science and public policy. And this is just a fun little video of showing my life as an undergraduate researcher here at college. So here I am in my general chemistry class, and then straight after class we're going to the 10th floor of Alchol, where the Lopatkin lab is located. So I am one of several undergraduate researchers here at the lab where we focus on antibiotic resistance and horizontal gene transfer using computational biology and systems microbiology techniques. So this week and for the rest of this video, we are doing some prep and some really cool transformations for a project that I'm working on with Jackie here at the lab. And here's some fun and sped up footage of me making some antibiotic agar plates. So I've done 2 projects thus far at the lab, the first of which focusing on metabolism impacting resistance dissemination, and this one is using a variety of different techniques such as conjugation experiments, and here's Mayros showing me electroporation, in which for this project we are actually creating electrocompetent cells and transforming plasmids into them to be sent out for genome library sequencing. Here's some fun footage of me getting the autoclave set up and making agar. And with that, today's experimental prep is done, so I can do some more experiments on Thursday. And then, after going to work and working a shift, here I am having pizza with some friends. The next day is full of adventures. Here I am walking Jelly Bean in Riverside Park. I'm also a dog walker, and I love Jelly Bean so much. Here she is, and me trying to get her waving at the camera. And it is a beautiful but kind of gloomy day outside. Here I am dropping Jelly Bean off and going back to the library to continue some more chemistry. And it was the last day of Chem Lab, so to celebrate, Jordan and I went to go get some Chinese food. And after finishing up some work for the day, I'm going to work on a group project, but here is some really cute cat content instead. After coming home, here I am finalizing my own parts from teaching at the American Museum of Natural History and then turning the lights out. So early the next morning after my chem class, I went straight back to the lab because today is the big day. Our lab tech, Mayros, and I are tag teaming several experiments in which we are creating electrocompetent cells and doing transformations for different strains. Here's some footage of me checking the subcultures and checking the OD600 or the optical density. And here we're really just checking to make sure our cells are at the right state before moving on with the experiment. We've got some lovely views from the lab. And then after some more experimenting that I couldn't film, here I am spread plating. We're just transferring the cells onto some kanamycin-based plates to be put in the incubator, which is at 37 degrees for 16 hours. And with that, it's somehow dark outside already. I'm on a walk to the library to continue studying for finals. I've got 3 exams and 2 presentations to give this season. And with that, thanks for watching A Day in My Life as an undergraduate researcher.